Hello student, today we will do question number 3 from exercise 4.3 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. The question number 3, is it possible to design a rectangular mango group whose length is twice its breadth and area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. So first we'll let breadth be x and length be 2x. According to question, area is given 800, so area of rectangle is length into breadth, means x into 2x is equal to 800. 2x square is equal to 800. X square is equal to 400. So x is equal to then 20 and minus 20 it will be, but this value will be rejected because length and breadth cannot be negative. So here answer will be yes. Is it possible? And length is 20 meter and breadth is equal to, length is 40 meter. X is equal to length will be 40. Length is equal to 40 meter and breadth is equal to 20 meter. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.